Hey guys, I was at Costco today. I saw that they had this sewing machine on sale at Costco about a couple weeks ago, and it was on sale for $139. Normally it's $179. It's probably still selling for $179 right now. It's a computerized sewing machine and quilting machine, which is pretty cool, made by Brother, the XR3340. And for 180 bucks, it seems like it's pretty worth it, especially if you just want to start, learning how to sew, and it's a quality machine. And you just type in, the type of pattern you want, and you get it. And it's like, especially with all this new cosplaying and also, people learning how to sew and stuff like that. This will be an awesome machine to probably start off with, and will probably last for a long, long time. I think my parents still have a similar sewing machine from Singer that's this size, and it has its own pedal, just like this, which is actually very, very similar to the one my parents have. From the 80s, and they're still using it. But this is pretty neat because it's a computerized one. It has extra large, high contrast things to see what things you're typing, and it's actually an awesome beginner's one. So anywho, just figured I'd let you guys know. It's actually a pretty neat deal. I'll also leave a link below if you are interested in other stuff on other sewing machines online. So long story short, just want to say thanks for watching, and keep like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Hit the bell button if you want some more Costco finds and stuff. See ya. Bye-bye.